In this video you will learn, can you play Valorant on Linux? Install the Linux distribution. Download and install a popular Linux distro like Fedora or Arch Linux to begin. Set up a Wine or Proton. Install Wine or use Proton via stream to run the Windows-based application on Linux. Install Lutris on stream. Use Lutris, a Linux game manager, or Steam with Proton to set up and manage your Valorant installation. Install Valorant. Download the Valorant installer through Wine or Lutris, then follow the prompts to set it up. Handle the Vanguard anti-cheat. Currently, Riot anti-cheat Vanguard has limited Linux support, so you may need to check compatibility and workarounds in the community. Launch Valorant. Once set up, launch Valorant through Steam Proton and start playing through performance, though your performance may vary based on your Linux system. Now you know how to play Valorant on Linux. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.